And welcome back to the 2-minute market. We go over today's market while keeping it as simple as possible. Like I said, the next 2 weeks are going to be red hot. So I have a lot to talk about today. So let's get straight into it. So this morning we received the JOLTS data. And again, that's just how many job openings there are in the United States. The expectation was a little bit under 8 million and it came in at a little bit under 7.5 million. So that was a huge miss. So with that report early, the markets were kind of shaky. But if you look at the indices above, you'll see that today the markets were kind of flat, with the S&P 500 being flat, but the NASDAQ was up decently. So again, those huge tech stocks reported earnings after the close today, and the biggest one was Google. And Google is so important because Google is the first trillion-dollar company to report. Google's report card came out and they smashed it. Their earnings per share was way higher than expected, and their revenue beat by almost 2 billion. So what happened with the stock? Well, if you look at the after hours right now, Google is at $180 per share. So we have to see, again, will that be the same when the market opens tomorrow? Now, another example of earnings was AMD. An AMD report card came out, and guess what? Earnings per share was actually in line, and the revenue barely beat the expectation. But if you look at this chart, you'll see after hours, AMD is down big time. So again, it might be that they just haven't got the expectation everybody wanted. And in crypto land, I have one of the biggest updates for you guys, and that is Bitcoin dominance. I've been charting this for a while, and I think this is so important. Bitcoin dominance is how much Bitcoin is going up compared to all the different altcoins. And if you look at this chart, Bitcoin dominance did hit 60%. Now that is such a key level because usually from that level, we bounce down. So we'll see if now altcoins will start going up more compared to Bitcoin. Now, if you look at Bitcoin chart today, you'll see that we almost hit 74,000. So again, yesterday I let you guys know that the next major resistance for Bitcoin was 74,000, and we basically hit it. We hit about 73.5. So Bitcoin had a monster day. And if you look at Ethereum is finally starting to get a nice push, and it was up over 4% today. So again, we need to see if this rally is still going to go or not. One commodity that's been red hot all year, honestly, it's been the most productive, is gold. Gold is going crazy, and gold is at $2,787, a new all-time high today. So again, it's slowly inching up to that 3,000 level. But again, tomorrow we're gonna have some more major earnings that I'm gonna let you guys know. But this is the 2-minute market. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.